Coffee shops doesn't want you to know that. In a container, add 25 grams of soluble coffee, 1 cup of sugar, remembering that my cup I'm using is 240 ml. Then mix all up. Right after, add half cup of hot water and with the help of a mixer, start beating until it's in the perfect spot. That's the perfect point. In the texture of a whipped cream, book next door. Here I'm using dark chocolate and melt in the microwave, but you can melt in a water bath. So I'm going to use coffee cups. Just go on adding chocolate with a spoon and spreading it. Remove the excess of chocolate and let it run. Here I'm using a grill, but you can leave it on a plate. Refrigerate for 2 minutes. After that time, just repeat the process with the chocolate one more time. And refrigerate again for another 2 minutes. Take some of the creamy coffee and add it into the cups. The size of the chocolate cup is optional, and if you prefer, you can only have creamy coffee with milk only. For every 2 tablespoons of coffee, add 100 ml of milk. Cover the container with plastic film and store in the freezer. To have our coffee, just remove the plastic cup. Add the chocolate cup inside a cup and then add 50 ml of hot milk. Mix up and coffee will be ready. It's delicious. There's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super simple coffee, quick and easy to be made. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.